Alright, today is the day we gotta move. We're not kind of liking it, but we kind of have to. Yeah, because, hello.
I'm eating.
Eating. Yeah, it's 5 in the morning. We gotta get down to Peniche. So we searched for a place to stay because we can't afford here. Here's way too expensive for us. Basically, the place where we're moving is 3 times cheaper. So basically, for a month here, we can spend 3 months there. So yeah, there was 2 sort of options we had. One being right out in the countryside, an hour away from a shopping centre. So, and we don't have a car, so that was no option. So it was quite lucky. We're going to Peniche, which is one of my favourite places. So we kind of got lucky with that. Yeah, Porto's way too expensive. We asked people to drop their rates. We didn't even get answers back. But that was around 2 weeks ago. But we didn't want to. Probably now they would do it, but we wanted to make sure we got a place like a couple of weeks ago. So yeah, there's a bit of a problem. Like all the buses have stopped. So yeah, that is kind of bad. We think we can get the train there, or we're homeless. So I'm not too sure what's going to happen there. Maybe homeless. Yeah, so we got to get 3 trains. Hopefully they're still running. If they're running, then we've got to get a bus, and hopefully that's running. Or we're walking, 4-hour drive of walking, so probably 3-4 days. Great. But Caspian's ready over here. Yeah. You ready to go, man? Yeah, he's ready. He's ready to go. So yeah, we'll take you on the journey, and let's hope we can actually get to where we need to get to. Cool. So we already had one little mishap. We got off on the wrong stop, and all luggage. Been a nightmare already, but we're off to a good start. But we're gonna get there. We're gonna get there. That's all right. So yeah, cool. We're sort of, what, 1/3 of the way, maybe, kind of, maybe a quarter of the way there. But we're waiting for another one, which will take us a bit over half of the way, Combrero or something like this.
Or something. Maybe
Yeah,
something.
that one,
I don't
something
know,
like
I'm not
that.
sure.
So yeah, we get to that one, and then hopefully, then that'll take us to the next place, or we have to get another 2 more trains. We spoke to the train driver, and the train driver said that, yeah, it's going to be pretty hard. So I don't like our chances, but maybe we could. But anyway, like our other option was an Uber, which is going to cost 190 euros. So basically, with the way everything is, public transport's basically free at the moment. No one's sort of checking. I guess maybe you should buy a ticket, but no one really cares. Like it's Portugal, and people don't give a shit anyway. Like everyone's pretty chilled, and yeah, there's no one to check tickets or anything anyway, so it's free. So it might take us all day to get there, but we might get there. Maybe.
Positive.
Anyway, we're being amused by a little man with his autos, with his little cars. Yeah, man. And yeah, they're letting us stay in this train because this train's not going anywhere, and it's bloody freezing outside, so in the heat until we go. So we've got another 40 minutes to wait. Cool. news update. Looks like we can get to the place which we want to get to, but not till 7 o'clock tonight. So it's probably 7-hour wait. So apparently there's a bus stop I can go to, which I'm walking to at the moment. Gonna try and see if there's a bus station, like a bus going there. So we're in Combray right now. Let's check it out and see what happens. Alright, so went to the bus stop. No buses, only to Lisbon. So yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do, like 7 hours, something like this. But at least we can get there. So that's one positive. And you know, what else are we gonna bloody do? We get there and we're stuck in the house anyway, so yeah. I don't know, we might try and see if we can check our luggage in at the bus stop, because at the train station, because they're still open. And hopefully we can just go and have a look around a little bit in a bit of the nature side of things. Because don't particularly want to sit at the bus stop waiting around. But anyway, gonna head back and meet up with the family and see what we can do. So it's pretty nice. I just went for a bit of a walk to get some food at the supermarket, and yeah, I got some really cool stuff here. Some old churches and stuff like this, and yeah, it's really cool. I'll show you. So yeah, we found a little place in the park. Wait out 7 hours.
Sometimes.
Fun times. But yeah. What are we doing now, man? He's driving us crazy.
Going on a train, like Caspian said.
Coming on a train. Cool.
Becomes like like a goat.
Caspian! What are you doing, man?
Floating around.
What's going on, Anna?
We're in a train with all comfort. We're in a train that is probably the slowest train we have ever been on. But it's got this nice massage in the chairs, and there's live music, like boom, 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 boom. So it's quite cool. Going to near Peniche, I don't remember the name of the place, and then hopefully soon we'll be in our new home.
What do you think, man? It is busy. I move on that. We gave Caspian sugar. Bad idea. Bad idea. So we gave him a little game to play. Or not a game, a little thing to watch. And he's sort of calmed down a little bit. For now. So about 2.5 hours, maybe we could walk, maybe faster than this train, but maybe 3 hours, I think, and we get there, maybe. Don't 9 o'clock tonight. We started at 5. We should get to this place at 9. We should get to home at 10. Yay! Yay!
Usually with the car it would be 2.5 hours.
Yeah.
From Portugal to there. But it's still time, still next week.
So we've arrived as close as we can get to Peniche by train, and now we've got to try and see if we can get a bus or a taxi, but something to boat. We're kind of in there and it's quite dead, very dead at the moment. So I don't know, maybe we're camping outside tonight. Okay, let's see how we go. We're gonna go have a look, see about the buses and maybe a taxi, maybe, hopefully. Okay, so we just arrived. We got the taxi. Whoop, whoop. And we got the key. What time is it? About around 10. So we've been going since 5:30. So we're gonna open the door, get all the luggage up.
5:30 in the morning, and now it's
5:30 in the morning, yes. Okay, so here we go. Here we are. Nice. Let's have a look around. We got lights. Cool. Caspian, what do you got, man? We got a house. Kitchen. Nice and big. Cool. Yeah. Bam bam. Caspian's tired. Our room.
It's not funny.
Okay. We have Caspian's room. I'll tell you. Yeah. What the hell is this? Ah, Caspian's room. Here we go. Or maybe Anna's room.
No.
Why not? Okay. So we're home. We're gonna unpack. Get tucked in. We're here. Can't believe it. Caspian's worn out. Oh, little man. You get to go to bed. Oh, you had some food. I'm going to bed. Yeah. Okay. Alright, so there we go. Here we are home. So yeah, if you like our videos, please like, subscribe. This really helps us with all our videos that we're putting out. Like I was saying, we're performers, so we're trying to maybe make an income out of this instead of the non-shows we're doing at the moment. So yeah, just help us out. Like, subscribe. This really helps out. Hit the notification button. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed. See you next time.